Hello, world. This is Darin Martineau, and I'm the CEO of and creator of Team Freedom. The Team Freedom funnel is an absolutely incredible marketing system, okay, and marketing funnel. And I'm going to explain in this video how our bonuses work, okay? So when you put in your name and email, you're taken to this page, okay? This is inside Team Freedom. So I want you to watch all the videos, okay? The first video is just a welcome video, okay? And then you click on this button here and it takes you to a video setup guide, which I'll show you what that does. There's these 6 videos, okay, and you just go through step by step, one at a time. Don't try and do everything at once, okay? Now we're going to talk about step 1, which is Global Domains International. What is Global Domains International? Well, it is an incredible affiliate program. It provides domains, hosting, a website creator, and you get to earn commission on all referrals. So it costs $10 a month, and GDI will pay 10% commissions to you each month on each of your immediate referrals registered domains. Okay, so when someone purchases a package with the domains and websites, that it's a domain. It's a .ws domain. You can pick your domain, whatever you want, like your name .ws or whatever you'd like. Okay, and GDI will pay you commissions uh, 5 levels deep. So it's very powerful, 5 levels deep. So when you complete step 1, okay, what you'll do, you'll click on here, and it's going to take you to a page like this, okay? And you can join for free, but you want to join the $10 a month so you can activate the comp plan, okay? Now we go back. We're going to explain. Okay, so step 1 is join GDI, Global Domains International. That's $10 a month. What do you get? You get your very own domain name. You get a website, the website creator. You also get your own professional email, and you get the ability to do the affiliate program, which will pay you out through 5 levels deep, and it adds up fast. So the bonus that I give you, okay, for joining through my link is you're going to get the Team Freedom Affiliate Marketing Quick Start Guide, and you're going to get the Team Freedom video training. And this training is going to start to show you how to put this funnel together. Now, the next step is joining Nexus Rewards. Okay, so what is Nexus Rewards? Nexus Rewards is the ultimate cashback savings and referral program. Okay, most of the people are saving over $5,000 a year on this. If you make more money, you're going to save a lot more, obviously. Okay, and what happens is it uses Rakuten, Upside, and Fetch, and the Nexus rewards benefit app. So there's like 4 apps in there, and then there's also a bill reduction, a savings on travel, and a whole bunch more. You save on all kinds of things. So it's it's the ultimate savings, cashback, and referral program. That's exactly what that is, and that's $10 a month. So you'll want to watch this overview. It's the world's most lucrative low ticket business, and it is really incredible. So this would be step 2. You click this button, and you're taken here, and you will join. You can join for free, or you can join for the premium level. Now, on the premium level is what you want, because with the premium level, right now they're doing a pre-launch discount. As you can see, it's only $25. Normally it's $49.95, and that's to activate the premium level. So they have the free level, you can enroll for free, the basic membership, which is $9.95 a month, and you can see what it gives you access to, all this here, right? The Nexus VIP travel, bill reduction, the prescription meds, which they give you big savings on that, and then the Nexus discount and savings portal. And you're locked in your matrix position. But here's why you would want to have the most popular, which is the premium membership. And this is what I'm having you join. It's $9.95 a month. Normally it's $50 to activate it, but right now it's in pre-launch discount of only $25. So what that's going to do is that's going to give you savings on everything you see here, plus your earnings. You're going to get 50% fast start bonuses and a whole bunch more. Now, when you join this Nexus, what happens is I also give you the bonuses that I'm going to explain here. I know it seems like a lot, but you just have to go step by step. When you join Nexus and you set up the Rakuten, right now they're running a special for when you spend $50 through Rakuten, they give you $50 cash back. And then also when you set that up in your referral program, your link in the referral program, what happens is everyone that joins through your link and does Rakuten, they'll spend 50 and they'll get 50 back. So that's already going to start to offset you see how that works? It's already going to start to offset your potentially. I make no income claims, nothing like that here. So what I'm explaining is by getting these bonuses, you're going to be offsetting your startup costs potentially. Okay. Now, I also give you for step 2, when you get Nexus rewards through Team Freedom, what I give you is secret viral video training, and there's a whole bunch more that I don't have time to explain, but I explain it in all the videos what you get. You get my secret traffic Rolodex. I have both free and paid traffic sources, and I'm going to start to ramp up everything, okay? And as you can see here, the total bonus package of everything here it's going to be thousands of dollars, but just for initially what I'm showing here is valued at over $505, but it's going to be a lot more because I'm ramping everything up. This I have like a dozen steps, but I'm only showing step 7 here because there's so many things, right? It's a very comprehensive system. You create multiple streams of income, and I make no income claims. Whether you're going to make $1 million or 1 penny, that's up to you, but I'm going to show you the potential here, okay? So what the bonus that you're going to get through joining through my link is going to be my secret viral video training. Those are training videos and also ebooks, and I have a special thing I do with that is coupled and paired with the Nexus system. And you'll see it's beautiful how this works together. I can't say what it is because it's a secret, but it's a whole bunch of secret viral video training and a whole bunch more. Then you're going to get all of my secret traffic sources, my secret traffic Rolodex right here. Okay, that alone is valued at $20. But there's much more because you're going to get the Team Freedom exclusive marketing video training part 1, which is several videos which I go through everything and break everything down, and that alone is worth $100. Okay, so the next step is going to be lead sleep. Now, when you get lead sleep, okay, that's in step 3. Okay, you watch all these videos here, right? And what you want to do is you want to click on after you watch this welcome video, that's the first thing you do. Then I want you to click on this link right here, and what it's going to take you to is the step 1 video guide, and you'll watch step by step each video, and then you'll do the video, and then you'll do the things it tells you to do, and then etc. You go through all 6 videos, okay? So you want to take your time, make sure you understand everything I explained, okay? So what happens is when you join step 1 and step 2, okay? GDI, Global Domains International, that's step 1. Step 2 is Nexus Rewards, okay? So I'm going to teach you how to save money and make money at the same time, okay? That's why it's so powerful, okay? I make no income claims here, right? This is a disclaimer. Step 3 is joins Lead Sleep. What is Lead Sleep? It's like the ultimate marketing tool. It's like a Swiss Army knife marketing tool. And what happens is when you join that, you get, if you within like 24 hours, you can join for free, but then you want to unlock the 50% commission. So it's either $20 or $23. And then if you don't join right away, then it's $27 a month, okay? If you join after that. But what I want you to do is I want you to join the Lead Sleep, and what will happen is you'll unlock these bonuses. Not only will you get 50% that you'll unlock from Lead Sleep, okay? Lead Sleep is also a traffic exchange. It's also an email autoresponder. It's also a funnel builder, a page builder, okay? And that's where this comes in the bonuses. I'm going to give you all of my squeeze pages, okay? I've got several squeeze pages, okay? I've got about a dozen, but I'm going to give you all the best squeeze pages. I'll give you the share codes for all this, okay? So it's also going to unlock the 328 email marketing follow-up messages that are worth $40, okay? And what happens here is you're going to set up your autoresponder with Lead Sleep, and what that's going to do is it's going to send out email every single day, and then it actually loops. So after that's almost a year, right? So that's 328 emails. Then it's just going to keep sending it. And we're just going to keep ramping this up. It's absolutely incredible. Because on top of that, what I'm going to give you is right here. Okay, I'm going to give you my 2 bonus pages. This is worth a lot of money right here. 2 bonus pages for 10 marketing membership sites. And this you can use as a generic bonus when you promote anything for this or any other program. So if you have another program that you promote, that's fine. You can plug it into this, okay? Uh, but you'll see how everything goes together, and it's really an incredible flow here. So you must have Lead Sleep to get the share codes, right? And those to build the pages that you're going to see, all right? Now, I'm also going to give you my exclusive Chat GPT super email prompt so you can create your own very powerful emails. Now, this is something that is absolutely incredible because it allows you to do it within any niche because you're going to use it through Chat GPT. But you have to have these special prompts that I'm going to give you, and they're very, very special prompts to crank out incredible emails for any niche, right? So the next step is to join the Click Engine, and that's step 4. And that's by Jeff Amon. He's one of my mentors. I have many online mentors. Uh, and that's you get real buyer traffic. And that's his Click Engine is it's sending traffic through his real buyers, okay? 100% autopilot. And that's only $5 a month, okay? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna unlock the bonus from that. I'm gonna give you 50 viral videos bundle pack, and then I'm going to show you how to edit these videos uh, with CapCut and everything I'm going to show you in the trainings. And I'm going to give you my unlimited free traffic guides. So this starts to unlock a lot of traffic because this is multiple traffic, multiple streams of traffic, and multiple streams of income. I make no income claims here. I'm just telling you. Whether you make $1 million or a penny, that's up to you. Okay. But if you show up, you work hard, you work smart, you're going to get great results. Okay. Potentially. Potentially. I'm also going to give you my Team Freedom uh, exclusive marketing videos part 2, which is worth $100 for joining that. $5 a month Click Engine. Okay, you join through my link. Now, step 5, you're going to get this AI video creation tool, which you're at a press of a button, you're going to be able to create these incredible AI videos for whatever you want in any niche. And that's step 5, and that's going to unlock the 50 viral videos bundle pack that you get from me, my special bonus here. And then you're also going to get the unlimited free traffic guides. These are videos and ebooks to break everything down. And then I have an incredible book called Mastering YouTube Marketing from Zero to Viral Growth, where I show case studies and everything like this. And this is a 16-chapter book. So between the books and videos, it's going to make it very clear path to success. Okay. Next is going to be step 6, which is you're going to get this unlimited free traffic system, okay? And then you're going to unlock my bonus, which is my secret viral traffic Rolodex, where I show you all the incredible ways to ramp up your traffic. And then step 7 is my own product that I'm building, which is called the Team Freedom Traffic Training. And that's going to have a whole bunch of things in it. It's going to unlock more bonuses. So I'll leave it here because I don't want to go on and on because there's like a dozen steps, but I'm just showing you how powerful Team Freedom is. So if you'd like to learn how to make money online, click on the link, put in your name and email, double opt in and verify, and I'm going to give you access to the Team Freedom and everything that I've explained in this video and much more. So thank you very much and have a great day.